Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wattpad how to make a reading list private. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. As of 2025, Wattpad does not offer an option to make your reading list private. All reading lists you create are publicly visible on your profile, and there is no built-in setting to hide them. What you can do instead is use your library. The books you add to your library are private by default. You can use this feature to save stories without them being publicly visible. To do it, head over and open up your Wattpad app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is either search on the search bar right here, or just simply select one of the options from the given Explore tab. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on this plus icon. Then once you're here, you'll find the option that says private right here. Simply tap on that, and the selected book will be in your library without others viewing them. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.